Hey everyone, Pedro here. In this series about managing a circle community, today I'm gonna quickly go over managing a member. So when you add a member information, you can change their name, see their email, see their profile, and also give admin privileges, flag the members so everything that they post and comment will be flagged for you to approve or reject. You can also disable direct messaging for them. You can add tags. You can see which space they join and also remove as well here. And also space groups and the same. You can add or remove them from space groups. You can make them admin for specific space and also for space groups. So yeah. Also, if you click on member's profile, you're gonna see all posts and comments they published and also the space they're joining and the links here. As an example, here we have Gumbo and I can manage here. Or you can go here on members, here in the search, let's search for Gumbo. And here I can remove from my community, view the profile, the view that we're at, message the member and add the member here. So the same options. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.